Cause here. It's April 23rd, Saturday. Weather was in the low 80s. I think it's kind of cooled down a little bit due to the weather. I can definitely feel that little chill. There's a little chill in the air, like from a storm. Wind's blowing. I know it's got gusts up to, I'd say, at least 40 miles an hour. It's had to lean the bike into the wind on some of these roads here. But just doing one of my favorite road trips out to Electra and back to get my ride fix in before the wind really kicks in. It's supposed to be up to, I guess, up to 55 or greater, I imagine. And then it's supposed to rain. Not so much today, but definitely tomorrow. And so I can get this taken care of, this ride in. So as I was out here, I was kind of thinking about, well, first of all, kind of prompted it, as you can see, I've got 20,000 miles on TukTuk here, so I had the 20K done on the on TukTuk by Harley, Red River Harley, which, and I know, you guys, oh, well, you could have done it yourself, you can save all this money, and blah, 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 yeah. Which I understand, okay? Trust me, I truly understand that. But, you know, you go through, life trying to, improve your life, get better, financially and all that stuff throughout your life as you struggle from a young age all the way up until you get, well, I hate to say it, senior life. And and that kind of stuff. And so first of all, I've done that kind of stuff onto my bike already. I've done a video on that. If you want to look into kind of my history, I've done I think the 5K on my Road King. I've done the pipes, done all the installs that I've done on my Road King in videos. So I guess I put my time in doing installs and doing your own stuff, oil changes, brakes, and everything else. So I've done all that. I've done my cars also. So you get to that point in life to where I guess you've earned the right to to be at a spot to decide, hey, I'll pay for someone else to do the job. And yeah, it costs, and yeah, I could have done it and all that, but what you're paying for is the comfort and keeping the mental anguish from creeping in on your life in that area. So, because something always goes wrong when you do stuff. You know, there's always something. And so when you get to that point where you can afford to pay someone else to do that, and you go ahead and do it, hey, it saved me a lot more. I don't know how much color I have left in my hair, but whatever color I have left, it's not going to turn gray because of wanting to do 20K or whatever. And so I chose to you know, bypass all the peer pressure, up pressure to, hey, you got to do it yourself. You know, to go ahead and pay for Harley to do that. And that's kind of what I did. And you know what? I feel good. Yeah, I could have done it, but I feel good. Because also you gotta, you know, now I gotta dump the oil. I gotta go, you know, take it, and then I gotta clean up and all that stuff. Oh, you know. So yeah, I sold out and paid for someone to do that. Now, I guess I'm going to try, in another video I was talking about what I want to do to Tuck Tech here, and that's, you know, pipes and new slip-ons. And I've done that. I was going to basically put the same set that I have on my Road King onto Tuck Tuck here. And except for get the blacked out version, because I think it looks a lot better. I saw someone on Facebook do that to their Ultra, and I think it really looks nice. So I think I want to do that. And again, I find myself thinking, well, do I want to do it myself again, or do I want to go ahead and have Harley go ahead and do that for me? And I'll tell you the truth. Well, first of all, I'll tell you, I'm going to go ahead and do it myself, do a video on that install video, mainly because my install videos do very well. I am surprised at how well my install videos have done, and are still doing it, even after how long ago I did them, years ago. So I'm because of that reason, I decided to do that myself. And so kind of stay keeping the lookout for that video, and we'll see when that comes up. For a second there, I thought that guy was in the wrong lane. That would have been scary. Well, maybe it kind of was when he came over the bridge. So where was I? Oh yeah. So yeah, keep it a lookout for that install video. What do we got here? Oh, that's not good. yeah, keep in mind for that install video coming up. Probably, let's see, when would I think am I going to try to do that? Maybe in the next month. Let me at least throw that out there. Probably in the next month. Let's go with that. And so yeah, so I'm going to do that just so I can see if I can get another, you know, 5,000-10,000 views on that video. So just to kind of make me feel good, I guess, boost my ego a bit. So anyway, so yeah, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, notification button, and or I guess it's a notification bell, so not a button, but anyway, hit the notification button for new videos. And oh, gotta slow down here. For that, okay. As always, stay safe out there. Whoa, get that wind. Stay safe out there. Peace out. Cause out.